How to use incognito mode on Android. For this, open up a browser that you prefer on your Android device. At the top, you will see three dot icon. Just go ahead and tap on it. Tap on New Incognito Mode. As you can see for yourself, my screen has been blacked here, which means I'm not been able to screen record on my incognito mode, which means that even you won't be able to screen share or take a screenshot on your incognito mode. To exit from incognito mode, all you have to do is tap on the tab icon at the top. Then you just have to cross out the incognito tab. Once you tap on it, you will find the new tab option. Then you can just go ahead and enjoy your regular tabs. The difference between your normal tab and incognito mode is that incognito mode is rather a private browsing and privacy mode feature where your browsing history, cookies, site data, and form inputs are not saved, and any temporary files are deleted when you close the incognito window. Whereas, whereas in your normal tab, your history, cookies, site data, and form inputs are saved. So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.